How to remove milk smell from carpet. Mix 2 cups of warm water and 1 teaspoon of dishwashing soap. Apply the mixture directly to the area. Take some baking soda and pour it directly onto the milk stain. It's best to leave the baking soda on the carpet overnight to let it work its magic. After it has sat on top of the milk stain overnight, loosen the baking soda by using your hands or a small brush. Finish up by vacuuming the area. Another method is to set a bowl of vinegar near the stain for a few days. You can also spray the carpet stain directly with vinegar using a spray bottle. If you do spray the carpet with vinegar, after it sits for a while, blot it using a clean cloth. As the carpet dries, the vinegar smell will gradually disappear, so you have odor-free carpet. Another useful, but odd method, is to sprinkle fresh, unused coffee grounds directly onto the milk stain. This should help soak up the smell pretty quickly. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.